Hi, in this short demo, I'm going to show you how to use Serplify app. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into Serplify. So just enter your email, your username and email. Once you've logged in, you'll see the dashboard. This dashboard will show you the recent posts or scheduled posts that are going to be posted to your websites. You want to go to the left and go to sites. The first thing you want to do is you want to add a site. So let's add a site. And here you can read that in order to use the full functionality of Serplify, you can add a plugin to your website. So how you do that is first you log into your WordPress site, go to plugins, and all you have to do is upload the Serplify WP plugin, which you can download from this link here. Okay. In this case, I already installed it on my WordPress site, and now I'm going to add this site to my Serplify dashboard. So I'm going to click on Manage Sites. Here I'm going to add my URL. So make sure when you're adding a URL that it has the HTTP portion before it. Okay. Next thing you do is you want to add the username, and then just paste in your password, and then click on Add. Once you add the site, you'll see that it's working and the plugin is installed. So now let's create a project. So we're going to click on Projects, and we're going to click on the plus button here, and we're going to name our project, in this case Gutter Cleaners USA. We're going to select the site, in this case guttercleanerguru.com. Do I want to customize site settings? In this case, no, but you have the option to do that if you want to. But in this case, no. So then I'm going to hit next. I want it to create users. So what happens is it will create all these users. So when you're posting articles onto your site, the user names are going to be all different. The author names are going to be all different. And you can even put a post or a prefix if you want. In this case, I don't, so that's fine. Geolocation, I'm going to select all of the US, or you can select specific states if you want. Okay, so I'm going to hit next. And here is where the magic happens. So you can decide if you want to do a post or page, is up to you. I'm going to do post in this case. And then the title, you can spin your title too. The title here and the body here is all spinnable. So let's do that. So as you can see, you can use these short codes here so that every time it creates a new post, the title will be Gutter Cleaning Experts in New York, Gutter Cleaning Expert in Chicago. So you can really do the city, you can even do the zip. So let's say I do city, and then I also do the zip. Okay. And then here you can actually paste your article. Okay, so I have an article that is unique already, so I'm going to use that. Okay, so I pasted my article. So now you could paste this article and have it post for the different titles, but we recommend spinning the content, some of the content, so that each post or page that you create is going to be different. So how we do that is we have the Spin Rewriters API directly integrated with also other services. Whatever Spin Rewriter accounts that you have, or any spinning service that you have an account to, you can use. So in this case, right now you can choose Spin Rewriter, Word AI, or Spinner Chief. So I have an account with Spin Rewriter, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to enter my information, and then I'm going to spin the content that I have right now. Okay. Okay, so I have my login email and I have my API key. So I enter that, okay, and then it's going to show here, okay, and then you could change the type of the way it's spun. So in this case, I'm just going to click spin, okay, so that it spins it. So we'll just wait for a bit. All right, so usually you would have to go in and make sure that you're spinning it properly. So because this is just an example, I'm just going to hit use spun text. So any spun text that is within this field is going to be spun. Okay, so that is the example that we have. Okay, another really good feature is you can actually add images to your post. So some posts will have images and some won't. So let's do that. I'm going to click on open. I'm going to search for, let's see, roof, because that's what gutter cleaners do. They clean the gutters on the roof. So I'm just going to select a whole bunch of images related to this. And then let's see, let's go for cleaning. Maybe I'll get some more images. All these are, so after you select your images, right, it'll show here the amount of images you have. And so those images will be used throughout the different posts. Not all posts will have an image, okay? And then also you can use the SEO features we have here. So I'm going to put another title here. And the great thing is you can spin your description. So I'm just going to copy this here. This is just for demonstration purposes. So that's going to spin the description. And then the keywords, gutter cleaning experts. Okay. Okay. You can even add a business schema markup if you want. In this case, I don't have to, so I'm going to click next. Okay, and if you have a syndication account on some of these major syndication platforms, you can do that too. But in this case, I don't, so I'm just going to hit next. And then the number of posts that I can make, I'm going to make, let's do 200. Okay, and then this is the great feature. You can drip feed these posts throughout the week or 2 weeks. So in this case, I'm going to do 14 so that it's not so that it's kind of slowly going to my site. So I'm going to hit next, and that's it. And then you click on add,